Alright, I'm going to take you on a real quick plot update. We got lettuce. There's all of our heads. There's our leaf lettuce. Come down here to the spring mix. We got radish row. And another radish row. Plot 2 starting to shape up. I've got the trellises up for the tomatoes and cucumbers. Got our strawberries, raspberries, grape, and the blackberry. Head on inside. Cucumbers going. Got the other ones behind, just finally planted. Got a bunch of red grano onions going here in this bed. This one I just prepped out is going to be for the peppers. We got spinach. It's already all on its second cut. We got another good cut down here. That looks real nice there. And over here we got our Salanova leaf lettuce. Back over to the tomatoes that are finally starting to actually size up a little bit. And behind that we've got basil interplanted. We're going to get our first cut of basil here next week, so it'll start to branch out. Behind that we got the snap peas. They're starting to go pretty good. Trim the grass out just a little bit. And we'll head over to the next plot. Alright, plot 3 is watering right now. Irrigation is going. We got all of our starts out here hardening off. I'll get planted out on Wednesday or Thursday. And we got radishes. More radishes. Our head lettuce, which is starting to size up nicely. Watch out for the sprinkler. And we got our leaf lettuce, and then I've got my spring mix over here that I broke into 3 different kinds to trial out. Okay, on to the prop house. We've got all of our lettuce starts. These are just 1 week old. They came out last Friday. I've got some pepper plants I picked up from Jackson's greenhouse here earlier today. And we got lettuce at 2 weeks old. And 3 weeks old. All the rest of this is already outside. We come down here. We got our microgreens. We got our peas. Our sun shoots, which will go into the fridge here tomorrow. And then our radishes down here on the end. Okay. Irrigation's now on, so we cannot go back into this plot. We've got our new lettuce, our new shade cloth. We don't have this one in our cloth yet because I don't have the cloth. A little bit of spring mix here. Over here is cropped out, getting ready to be planted. Down there, right there, we got a patch of radishes and grass. We got spring mix and grass. We've got more lettuce, some heads there, even more lettuce. Go over into 5. All right. In 5, we've got spring mix coming up. Starting to germinate nicely. Got radishes popping over here. And we've got a row of spring mix right here. Goes all the way down. Got a little grass in the path to take care of. Got a bunch of Tom Thumb heads down here doing nicely. Followed by our heads. Got another empty bed. We got our kale, just doing beautifully right now, and our dill that I interplanted in all the extra holes, which is just coming up everywhere awesomely. It's all those extra little frillies everywhere. Bunch of beautiful kale. And I forgot down here, we got all of our gems. They're just doing wonderful down here. More toms sizing up nice. More gems back there sizing up nice. And I'll leave you with a nice look at the sunset as the sun's going down. Alright, thank y'all. Have a good night.